There was a quote posted on our page the other day that stated, "I'm worth it. Always was and always will be." The more I thought about that, the more I thought about my life and how sometimes I forgot how much value I really brought into this world. We all know that God made us in his own image. There's something special, unique, and magnificent about each and every one of us. So sometimes we have to remind ourselves of how much value we bring into the relationships that we're in, the friendships that we have, or even the jobs that we work on. We can never forget that others may not always view us the way that we see ourselves, but it's up to us to show them how valuable we really are. We have to know our self-worth. And if they can't accept who we are, then we have to let them go. Because at the end of the day, if we settle for what they give us, we will never get to where we want to be at in life.